Hey guys, I look like a dude and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited. I am officially a Herbalife coach. I fell in love with the nutrition. I fell in love with the shakes. So I got a whole bunch more. I got my coach kit in here. Herbalife has been around for 40 plus years. It is so good. It's the #1 nutrition all across the world. And even if you're skinny and you don't think like, oh, I could eat whatever I want, it's gonna hit you later in life. You're gonna wake up with energy. You're gonna feel better. You're gonna go ahead and start looking at yourself and feel confident. Go about your day with a different attitude, much more happier. Even if you're doing something you don't want to do, you're gonna have a better mood for it. Trust me, I did not know this would change me mentally, emotionally. I literally just wanted to change physically, and also I knew I wasn't putting nutrition in my body, so I said I need that. Something for everybody, whether you're losing weight, gaining weight, or you're maintaining weight. This is for everyone, even men. There's a whole sports line for the men that want to get more muscles. Even kids could intake certain products, not all, certain products that help them out as well. So that's something in detail that you have to speak to your coach about specifically. If you want any more information, comment down below, leave your Instagram, however I could get in contact with you so that way we could speak more to get you onto this journey. My team's results, they are so motivating, so positive, such good people that they're there for you. Herbalife ain't just products. We are here for you, to help you as a person, inside and out. You really have the passion to help. This isn't just, I'm gonna sell you something and that's it. No. Check out this big box. I'm gonna try this flavor. This is the peach tea. So the teas are the first thing you want to intake in the morning because it helps you with energy. It boosts your metabolism, which is so important. I had no clue that that was important. I was like, I eat twice a day and I eat junk food and I don't care. Homie, when you boosting your metabolism, that means you are boosting up your energy for the day. You're able to keep on going, focus. With the tea, you are losing 80 to 100 calories, and you don't have to drink this hot. It could be cold. You're drinking something yummy, you're getting energy, and you're losing calories. Sign me up. This is what I've been dying to try. God, everybody talks about this. The protein bites, fun size treats, crunchy caramel vanilla. 2 of them will be your snack. And if you are craving sweet or wanting chocolate, this is it. Look how cute. Oh my God, I'm gonna try one right now. 4 grams of protein. If it was cold, it would be so much more better. This is so good. This is so similar to a freaking Snickers bar. Oh my God, that's so good. I'm so shocked. I thought everybody was lying. Like, oh, it tastes good. It tastes like Snickers. I'm like, all right, I'll see. Mango aloe to go with my tea. These two go hand in hand. There's so many good supplements. Dermal Bond supplement. We're eating a lot of fat. Let's be real. Even if it's healthy, there's fat in there. This is gonna help you. If you take it, it attacks the fat before it hits your actual body. So let's say pizza. You take this before you eat your pizza and it grabs the fat before. So this is perfect when you're having cheat days. So good, because my cheat day is tomorrow. It's not a magic pill, you know. It's not gonna grab all the fat and be like, that didn't affect you. But it definitely helps a whole lot. So Thermal Bond all the way for cheat days, just in general if you're knowing you're having a lot of fat that day. Pina colada flavor. So this is the Formula 1. You need Formula 1 and a protein hand in hand. They go together. This is gonna be your flavor, your extra protein, everything that you need for your shake. I also got another vanilla protein People told me that the chocolate was a little not all that good, so I said, you know what, next time I'll get the chocolate formula one. I'll play safe. I'll get vanilla. You can't go wrong with vanilla. It goes for literally every flavor. Dulce de leche. I was dying to try this, and people are like, it is so good. Everything I got for that unboxing, the coaching kit. For all of you who are like, I might want to be a coach, or I want to make some extra income. So what's in the coaching kit? It up. This is what you see inside. 3-day trial kits. Whoever is interested, I'm gonna hit them up and let them know I got 3-day trial kits. For everyone that was kind of skeptical about it, or if they're just not sure if they want to try it, boom. Keep in mind, I only have 3 and I won't get any more. So first come, first serve. You have a 2-in-1, cookies and cream and vanilla. You have one for 3 days. So this will be your breakfast, this will be your dinner. Depending on your personal goals, we'll talk. Booklet thing to tell you more. Have your tea. Tropical fruit flavor, lift off. A big old pill. You put it in your tea and it starts dispersing. First, the tea has caffeine. Forgot about that to tell you. Hello. 4-hour energy drinks. Bro, this is it. This is why it's called lift off, because you're gonna be like, bah, 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 bah. I gotta get things done. Oh, I can't wait to try that. Water bottle. This is just awesome information on literally all the products to get to know inside and out of Herbalife. I need to know everything, and I want to know everything, and I'm always learning, and I will keep on learning. Lift off a bag. Whoop. And if you have any questions at all on what the heck this is, or if you want to get started, join my team. I'm here for you. I definitely want to help everybody out that I possibly can. I've learned so much before I became an official coach, because I was like, ooh, I need to get to know, and then I fell in love, and here I am. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like and comment. Tell a friend to subscribe. Share this video with others. We're almost at 700 subscribers. Don't forget to become a part of Yaya fam. Thank you so much for everyone who supports. Just keep on growing, and then let me know what you want to see me and my boyfriend do. We hit 700 subscribers. Guys, have a blessed day. Bye. My boyfriend try the crunchy caramel vanilla bite. But you tell me what you think.
That tastes like a crunchy Tootsie Roll.
A crunchy Tootsie Roll? Is it good?
Yeah, I'm not complaining.